Hello everyone and welcome back to the Prime Coding channel. So today is a great day for you because I have brought you Oops Cheat Sheet. Yes guys, on point definitions which are very short and crisp as well as their code snippet. Each and every important topic that you should be aware of in the Oops topic. And how I can say that? Because recently guys, very recently, if you head over my channel, you can find a video where I have analyzed more than 1000 interview questions, which is a data set from 5 years back until 2024. We have gathered all the repeated questions, then we apply some Python stuffs into it and get out the percentages of questions on each topic. That it would be DBMS, OOPS, OS, CN, and much more. So guys, if you have not watched that video, make sure that you will watch it before going to the interview of TCS and QT. And this would be the video which will help you in each and every interview where you are gonna give in future or now. So yes, without wasting time guys, let's move with this particular video. So you can see Oops Cheat Sheet. Yeah, this title is Oops Cheat Sheet and it is presented by Prime Coding. And my name is Aditya Mishra. If you have not joined our Telegram group, highly recommended because this PDF will be provided in our Telegram group. So please join it and get the fun of this PDF. Now, let's start with all these stuffs. So, very first thing you can see, Oops Cheat Sheet. Yes, the heading itself. Now, key concepts like what do you mean by class? A basic question that you can expect would be definition, a blueprint of creating object that contains methods and attributes. That's it, guys. It's a cheat sheet. Okay, it's not that it will cover all the concepts of Oops. It just covering all the important that should be a last minute preparation for your interviews. Okay, so you can see Python, how you can create a class into it. I have mentioned in Java and in C++. It's a C++. Okay, because in C we usually don't have, so it's a C++. It might be a emoji guild error. Okay, so you can find the code of C++ also. Now you can see what do you mean by object. So object is an instance of a class. Simple. And following with its Python example, C++ example, Java example. As you can see, encapsulation starting for now is four pillar of Oops that we are gonna cover it now. Encapsulation, its definition, its example in Python, Java, and C++. It's a C++. Okay. Now abstraction. What will be the endpoint definition? Let's see. Hiding the complex implementation details, showing off the necessary feature. So you should be aware of. And in most, if you have watched that video, what video? The analysis video. In that, abstraction and interface questions were asked the most. So you should be aware of it. Yes. So and this would be abstraction. How you can achieve abstraction? It would be achieved in Python like this, and in Java like this, and in C++ like this. Okay, following with the inheritance definition type, single inheritance, multi-level, and hierarchical and hybrid. Every inheritance are mentioned, but multiple inheritance is not being followed by Java, so you should be knowing about that before reading it. Okay, now you can see how you can achieve inheritance in Python, similar to Java, similar to C++. Great. Polymorphism definition presenting a same interface for different types achieved through method overriding and overloading. Why I have wrote this particular definition? Because everyone used to say poly means many and shapes. That it doesn't make sense nowadays. Just update yourself, because as the year is updating, every person is updating their personality. So you should also maintain some definitions which are on the point and good to listen. So this would be the definition that you need to say. Now the types: compile type polymorphism, runtime polymorphism, and example would be Python, similar to the Python, then how you can write in Java, then in C++. Every example has been listed clearly so that it would be a one-stop for you. And if you are wondering that what all you need to prepare for an NQT exam or any other interview, it would be a syllabus that you need to do. It would be a DBMS topics, it would be AIML topics, it would be React topics, it would be any topic. This channel is meant for you. If you are thinking that, okay, you have a project from AIML, how you can do that? Most Ask AIML questions has already been uploaded on my channel. Let's say you have a Stack project. Okay, so Most Ask project is also available on the channel. I think you are underconfident in SQL skills. I have a SQL one shot video for you. And if you're thinking that DBMS video is not a cup of tea, then a one shot DBMS question is also being uploaded on my channel. Following with that, data structures like arrays and strings are already been uploaded, and the future linked lists and stacks and queues will be come up. So if you have not subscribed this, if you have not shared with your friends, right now guys, pause this video, subscribe it, and come jump over the back on this video now. See, principle of oops dry, which says don't repeat yourself. Then case keep it simple, stupid. Solid would be single responsibility principle, open recursive substitution principle, interface segregation, dependency and inversion principle. Simple. And common OOP terms would be constructor, destructor, then method overloading, Java, C, then method overriding. Basically, these types of questions also mostly ask like what do you mean by method overloading, what do you mean by method overriding, how you can achieve it. Write the code snippet of it, guys. You name it, we have took for you. So write Java, Python, C++, and you are good to go, man. You are good to go. Then method overriding definition, Python. Okay, so now it would be Java class, valid show, system out println, parent method, and yes, you can see everything is here. Now the next question that you can expect is what do you mean by super, how you can use that super keyword, and how you can access the parent class method. So you should be able to tell about super and intent thing. So how you can do it in Python as well, I have written the super keyword. In Java as well, the example of the code snippet is given. In C++ as well, the example of code snippet has been given. Similar to that, everything. Now, design patterns and UML stuffs are also here, guys, are also here. So you don't need to bother anywhere, anything. If you have prepared oops in one go, just take this printout of it, study it before your interview so that the definition would fit inside your mind. Okay. And if you're wondering, if you're underconfident, if you're nervous, if you're not knowing whether you are telling it right or wrong, if you're not able to represent the answers, then what you will do? Guys, I have something for you. You can head over to our website, which is www.primecoding.in. Yes, guys, this is me, your teacher, your educator, your friend, your best friend, or anything. Okay, so I can see evaluate your skills with your prime coding mentorship sessions in which I will mentor you, I will correct you wherever you are going wrong, whatever guidance you need, how you need to present yourself, how to give a particular answers, and how to crack the companies. Yes, guys. And you can see we have multiple feedbacks of our candidate who took our services, and you can find this on our Telegram group, as well as the quality content feedbacks. Everything would be provided in Telegram group. Make sure you will go through it. Now you can see one payment and less opportunity. Right now we have offers still TCS, but in the future will increase more packages. So as per your role, you just head over to the book now button and a form will pop up to you. Take one step towards your offer letter. Yes, guys, because if I tell you your weak point and you will work on that weak point, then no one can defeat you, guys. Yes. So please, one step take forward to near your offer letter, fill your order details and upload your payment details in this particular thing, which is our team member UPIs, and upload your resume. Then you are good to go. Then in the next, you can schedule a session and I will meet you there. I will guide you. I will mentor you. I will motivate you. So without wasting time, I will meet you with a great content soon. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, share with your friends, share with your juniors, and I will meet you with a great content soon.